Whoever it is connecting sa'yo, this person wants marriage with you or baka married na kayo or baka long-term committed kayo sa isa't isa at maaaring probably looking forward na kayo sa marriage with this person here, but look at that Nine of Swords energy. Something's bothering you. May gumugulo sa isipan mo. For some reason, I'm not doubting na nagda-doubt ka sa love ng person mo. Parang may iba kang iniisip, may ibang bagay. Well, I must say na pinipilit mo naman itong paglabanan, pero parang medyo ito ay nakakaapekto pa rin sa'yo. Okay. So, alamin natin ano ba itong bagay na to, no? At maaaring makahingi tayo rito ng advice from the universe, from your guides. Uunahan ko na kayo agad mga babes, no? This is not something here na mag-resonate for all, but this feels like almost personal reading here for someone. Pero itutuloy pa rin natin, no? Kasi I think this is something here that's very important na malaman niya. So if that person here is you might want to hear this out. Hindi ito madali for you. Oh, wow. Hey there mga may loves collective, yan no, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na ito at kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel, the link is down sa ating description box, so pwede ka rin tumambay doon, no? At wala po tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want and at the end of the day, you always have your free will, okay? Syempre naman, malaya kang gamitin yan. But here, I told you guys that this is something here personal. So, this is something here na posibleng marami-rami sa inyo ang hindi nyo pa ito alam. Or pwedeng iba sa inyo, alam nyo na ito. Okay, just take how this resonates. We have here the Empress energy and there's this tower. There is something here na posibleng nalaman or malalaman mo, no? And I think it has something to do with bearing a child. I'm getting the word infertility. So ulitin ko, this is quite sensitive right here, but for a lot of you, this is not yet happening, but this is something here na importante para sa mga ibang nanonood or nakikinig sa ating readings, no? So I think you are connecting here with someone you really love. You love that person here so much and that person loves you so much as well. But there is something here na yung iba sa inyo pwedeng matagal na kayo magka-relationship, high school pa lang, no, high school sweethearts yung iba sa inyo, or when you are young, kayo na, no, or college pa lang, kayo na, no, ang tagal nyo na, no. And this is something here na parang ito yung great challenge dito. Pwedeng nalaman mo that you cannot be able to bear a child or hindi ka mabubuntis or baliktarin nyo na lang, no? So whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates, no? Tayong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Okay? So, whoever this individual is, nakakonect mo, lumalabas rito na itong person na to, sobrang mahal ka niya. Since nung day one pa na naging kayo. At kung sino man 'tong individual na 'to, nakita ko na para magkaroon ka rito ng ganitong klase ng thinking 'no, sobrang mahal mo siya. With the Two of Wands energy and the Two of Swords right here, this is you. You are in this type of energy na, tuloy ko pa ba 'tong connection namin o putulin ko na lang kasi hindi ko siya kayang bigyan ng anak. Kung sino man 'to 'no, marami-rami rito yung energies na either yung parents niya is gusto magkaroon ng apo or siya lang yung nag-iisang child ng kanyang parents. Only child. So, either of the two. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, no, na parang, syempre, kung siya ay only child, ibig sabihin nun, hindi na madudugtungan sa kanya, no? Yung, yung tawag nito, yung henerasyon is mahihinto sa kanya. Parang ganun, no? Kasi, wala siyang magiging child or wala siyang magiging anak, no? So, yun yung iniisip mo. Walang problema pagdating sa pagmamahal, kasi pagdating sa pagmamahal, alam mo na mahal mo siya and you can give all the love in the world. But you are in this type of energy na maybe nagpa-check-up ka, no, or ikaw 'to na parang gusto mong i-ready yung self mo, no, na magkakaroon na kayo rito ng child, no, and this is you. You will find out that you cannot be able to bear a child. And I'm sorry to know that. Since this is general reading right here, I'm seeing that you are really having a hard time because this is something here already shocked you. Kasi iba sa inyo, no, wala naman ganun sa family ninyo. Lahat naman is okay pagdating sa pagbe-bear ng child, or lahat naman is healthy when it comes to fertility. 'Di ba? So, nagulat ka dito sa ganitong klase ng medical na resulta, no, kung saan eto sana yung isa sa mga plano na pinag-uusapan mo with your person who loves you so much. Pero dahil sobrang mahal mo siya at iniisip mo dito yung kapakanan niya 'no, na parang, only child lang siya, so parang hindi na madudugtungan yung henerasyon 'no, parang gano'n 'no, or, ikaw 'to na gusto mo siyang bigyan ng anak pero hindi mo yung mabibigay sa kanya, yung mga ganyan 'no. You can flip roles if you want 'no. Dahil napo-focus yung isipan mo dun, nakalimutan mo yung extent ng love niya para sa'yo, okey? With the strong presence of the moon card energy, this is something here that you probably do not know yet right now. For a lot of you, marami-rami sa inyo yung hindi niyo pa ito alam, pero posibleng ito ay magaganap pa lamang, okey? You forgot how much your person loves you because nag-focus ka dito sa bagay na 'to na sa tingin mo ay problema. Kasi iba sa inyo iniisip ninyo makipag-break, paghiwalay sa kanya, tapusin yung connection, iwanan siya rito, no, or whatever. Gumawa ng dahilan, magsinungaling, whatever, no. But it tears you apart. Parang pinupunit rito yung puso mo ng Five of Cups energy. Parang hindi mo alam yung gagawin mo rito. So, ito yung nag-cause ng stagnation ngayon sa inyong connection. Because you cannot be able to communicate, no? You keep on keeping it to yourself. You're hiding this with the moon card energy. You're not telling this truth to your person because you know that you will possibly hurt the one you love, no? But you know what will definitely hurt this person here? Kasi ang iniintindi niya dito ay walang iba kundi ikaw. Mas mahalaga ka daw kaysa sa kanya. So, itong nangyayari na 'to na posibleng hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon, bigla mong brinot up yung breakup or paghihiwalay ta's wala siya ritong kamalay-malay, ano ba nangyayari rito 'no? This person here thinks about you, this person worries about you, what's really going on, may problema ka na posibleng hindi mo binabanggit sa kanya, ta's bigla mong gustong tapusin ang inyong connection rito. Your person knows that there is something here bothering you. This person wants to know why you're doing this, why you are You are bringing the breakup, eh, ayaw nga niya rito makipaghiwalay sa'yo. Kung nagsinungaling ka man dito, hindi niya yun pinaniniwalaan. Your person here wants to know the truth. Gusto niya rito mag-open ka sa kanya. Magkaroon kayo dito ng heart-to-heart conversation. Yan. This is something here na mahirap sabihin. I know. Five of Cups energy, Four of Swords right here, and there's this Moon card energy, no? Kaya nananatili kang close off Two of Swords energy because this is something here na mahirap pag-usapan for you. Because you thought everything was okay, everything was fairy tale right here. You love each other, and then you will create here a family together in the future. But it so happened that this is the situation that you need to face or that you are facing right now. You almost forgot how much this person loves you. But still, I'm seeing that there will be a conversation or a communication that will take place dito. Nakikita ko mag-uusap pa rin kayo. There is a choice here that your person needs to make at hindi ko nakikita nag-hesitate siya. Yes, magkakaroon rito ng confrontation. Masasabi mo sa kanya yung totoo that you cannot be able to give him or her a son or a daughter or a child. But you know, iiyak ka dito ng sobra hindi dahil sa bagay na tatanggapin niya, o sige maghiwalay na tayo blah blah blah, no? Kundi iiyak ka rito ng sobra sa magiging sagot niya. Okay? For this person chooses you over the child not because ayaw niya magkaroon ng anak or whatever, no? But this person here, sinong may sabi? Ten of Cups energy, Ten of Coins right here, and Six of Coins. Sinong may sabi na hindi tayo pwedeng maging family kung hindi tayo magkakaroon ng anak? After meeting you, my world starts to evolve differently. Nagsimula akong makita yung mga bagay na makukulay, mga bagay na importante sa buhay ko. And you are the most important person for me. Having a child, yeah, isa yan sa pinaka magandang bagay na posibleng mangyari sa dalawang magka-in relationship. But for me, if hindi mo yan kayang ibigay sa akin, okay lang. Ikaw yung pinipili ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano mabubuhay ng walang tayo, ng walang ikaw. So after hearing that, you will definitely burst into tears. Because this is you, you feel guilty that you almost forgot that this person here loves you so much. Na it's okay. Okay lang, we're gonna travel the world together. Let's enjoy life together. Let's enjoy every moment together. After all, we can still call this a family. Diba? Ang ganda ng sinabi niya rito, ang ganda ng naiisip niya rito, ang ganda ng sasabihin niya sa'yo rito. No? Sinong may sabing hindi tayo pwedeng maging pamilya kung wala tayong anak? Diba? Napaka-moving ng ganong klase, no? Ng, ng, ng pag-o-open up ng person na to sa inyo. How can I live without you? Yeah. Alam mo, this reading right here is telling me That love is definitely something that's so beautiful na marireceive natin sa life. And pagdating sa relasyon, kailangan maging open tayo with our partners. Hindi natin kailangan pasanin yung mundo ng mag-isa. At hindi rin natin kailangan gumawa ng desisyon ng mag-isa kung nasa isang relasyon tayo. There are things or mga bagay, sitwasyon na posibleng hindi natin naiintindihan kung ba't nangyayari. Pero, ang maganda, natututo tayo. Nabubuhay tayo ulit. And I'm seeing both of you traveling the world card energy. Paroon, parito. Nagta-travel kayo together, masaya kayo together, tatanda kayo together, magkasama kayo hanggang sa dulo together. You really do not need a child to complete and for other people to tell na isa kayong family. Don't mind them. After all, it's your life. As long as you're happy with your person and your person is happy to be with you, okay? If you continue to be in that way na magkapakalayo-layo ka sa kanya or whatever, I think this person here will really feel sad about that. And that is something that you do not want to happen, diba? But good thing here is that there will be a confrontation and that confrontation will lead to something here na you will come up with a decision of staying together forever. Yeah. Alam mo, love wins all talaga. So, kung sino man tong partner mo, your partner here knows your heart. And the breakup is not something here that you probably do not want to hear. But this person heard it from you. So, this is something here that this person is thinking. There's something weird. There's really going on. And I need to find out why. In order for me to make a solution to fix this situation and problem, to help you, yun yung gusto niya. Kasi posibleng sa relationship ninyo, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng usapan before na, oh, never nating babanggitin ang salitang ending, breakup, separation, never. Yan. So whatever the case may be, I do see that this person here, you will be with the presence of this person up until the end of time. This person definitely loves you. Sobrang sapat ka sa kanya. Okay? Kaya wag mo nang isipin, no? Yung bagay na yun, ang isipin mo, i-enjoy mo yung life, no? Kasama yung taong sobrang nagmamahal rin sa'yo. So, maraming salamat sa oras mo. Muli ako siyan. Thank you so much. And this is something here that you might want to hear, sweetheart. I know you're going through a lot, but this is something here that you need to look forward. You've got someone here who loves you deeply. Okay? So, fighting. So, thank you so much and sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.